Hi, I'm Bill Metropol. I've got a Fibrenew franchise in Atlanta, Georgia. We're in the northwest area of Atlanta. In 2008, when we started our business, we started building on all of the service markets that Fibrenew has invested to provide services in. Everything from automotive, aviation, the commercial industry, to the marine industry, and also, of course, residential. Additionally, as we've added technicians, it's given us capability to specialize in certain markets, for example, the automotive market. So as we build our business, we're able to start it by ourselves, but with help from others, we're able to grow it into other markets. It means a lot of benefits to us personally as well as to us on the business side. It's difficult to get a typical day in this business, which I like. I really like the variety of work that we get involved in and the places it takes us. When we start off any kind of day or any week, for example, we do have a schedule that we follow. But what happens during the course of the day is that as we complete our different service opportunities out there, there's always other opportunities that are created out of the work we do. So sometimes when we go out on a small scope of work, it turns into a much larger bit of business for us. So typical is probably not in our vocabulary, but we do provide services every day and all day long. Our business is really suited for problem solving, both at the residential and at the consumer level. In the residential area, often there can be a bit of an embarrassment of someone who has furniture that's very expensive that they really need help with. We can solve a lot of their problems, and that really helps generate a lot of fast satisfaction for us as well as for them. In the commercial side of the house, we're generally helping them to renew, to extend the life of an asset that they probably already purchased. They may not want to go out and replace what they have. If they don't, we're a great solution for them. You know, when I first came into this business, I had a set of assumptions, and those assumptions were I could do this by myself. I could bring on other people to help. As I've worked this business and I've thought about the direction it goes, the economy is always changing. Well, the beauty of what we do is we have a lot of different markets that we can provide our services to. We're very flexible and we can change very quickly. So bringing other technicians on to help us out in areas that are exploding really helps us to capitalize on different markets that are doing better than others. So it really helps us to provide a portfolio of services, but the business is such that we can bring on people who are specializing in certain areas that are growth markets for that particular time in our business. One of the things I really like about Fibrenew as opposed to doing this by myself is that in my previous life I had a lot of support, and I really learned to depend on that support. The way Fibrenew is put together is it is a family and a very friendly oriented business. We all exchange ideas with one another. Additionally, there is a structure here. It's a support structure, both from a technical as well as a business side of the house. So if you're going and finding an opportunity that you really didn't anticipate having, there's always somebody to help you craft or create a solution to fit that need. You know, at Fibrenew, their people come from all walks of life. You could call it eclectic or a very diverse background, if you will, from everyone. It is really the true diamond that is out there for all of us franchisees. If you want, you can rely on the experiences not only of the support, the structure, and the leadership of the organization, but all of the franchisees are more than eager to provide you with the benefit of their experiences, what they see, what they've done, and help you with the solutions that are facing you at the time. If you're coming into this business, you are certainly going to get a lot of personal satisfaction by working in a craft. You're going to get a lot of people that just say, that is amazing, thank you so much, and that is a lot of personal gratification on what